Hello everyone, today I have an unboxing video for you guys. So before I start anything off, those of you that may watch my stream or just have me on Discord, you may know that I've been in the market for a new keyboard, and that is because right now I am rolling the good old Apple Mac keyboard, and I'm just gonna be honest, I don't really like it that much. It looks great. It's got an aluminum backing to it. I'm not a big fan of the keys, but for the most part, the real big problem with it is that it's broken. The P doesn't work, the O doesn't work, the question mark doesn't work. So basically, what I've done is I have purchased, let me just get this out of the way, this, and you can probably tell by the video title that this is the Tomoko 87 key mechanical gaming keyboard with the knockoff Cherry MX Blues. So let's go ahead and get this open, and there it is. If you can't already tell, I have already opened it, just for pure excitement. And here it is. It's got styrofoam on the sides. Let's go ahead and take that off. Oops. Don't want to damage the keyboard or anything. There it is, you guys. Let's put that over there. Move that to the side, take out this little pamphlet that came with it. Here it is. Let's remove this stuff. Styrofoam was on the side. And let's get this off. Look at that. Ooh, guys, there it is. The Tomoko 87 key mechanical keyboard. Supposedly this thing is water resistant, and I have watched, oh, that sounds amazing, and I have watched a few videos about it, and apparently it is. It survived. You can see there it's got anti-ghosting. It's got anti-ghosting, knockoff Cherry MX Blues switches, which are really nice. I'll let you guys hear that a little bit better. That might be a little bit too loud for some people, but I personally really love these keys. I like the tactile feedback, and it also comes with a little key remover for removing keys. So that's really nice. This was only $40. I think it was like $38.99. The reason it is so cheap is because it doesn't have a number pad on the side. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna be rolling with this now. It's gonna help me a lot on my streams for gaming. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check me out on Twitch. I write the code, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.